Today, we're powering up this small old house with a solar setup using a 12 volts battery and lights. Previously, we used a 230 volts utility power supply. Our goal is to power up the house with 7 watts LED light from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. for 10 hours. We'll use a solar panel, a battery, a SolarCharge controller, and 12 volts 7 watts LED lights. First, we'll install the SolarCharge controller and connect the battery. Next, we will connect the solar panel, followed by connecting the output. We're replacing the old 230 volts lights with new 12 volts LED lights. We'll test the solar panel output. Battery. DC output. Let's charge the battery. Let's test the output. Start at 7 p.m. I have added some vintage switches also. How to choose the right battery and solar panel. Our goal is to power for 7 watt LED light from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. First, we will calculate the total power consumption. Then we will pick up the right battery, the solar panel, and finally the SolarCharge controller. So, how to calculate the total power consumption? We have 4 7 watts LED lights, which gives us a total of 28 watts. So, for 10 hours total 280 watt-hours. Let's check how to select the battery. Now we know our power requirement is 280 watt-hour. So, we will divide this 280 watt by 12 volt, that is 23.3 H. Since we don't want to drain the battery too much, we double that to get 46.6 H. We will use 50 H as standard size. Then, let's see how to select the solar panel. The total battery capacity is 50 H multiplied by 12 volt. Considering we have 6 hours of peak sunlight, the required solar panel is total battery capacity by sunlight hours. It's 100 watts. While considering the efficiency of the solar panel, we will use 125 watts solar panel. Then how to select the SolarCharge controller. A 10 amp SolarCharge controller will work well with a 60 watts to 100 watts solar panel. My selection is 30 amps controller. So the total power consumption is 280 watt-hours. Then the battery required is 58 each. Then the solar panel required is 125 watts. And finally the SolarCharge controller required is 10 amps to 30 amps. Let's check the total cost. For a 50H battery, the cost is 5,500 rupees. And for 125 watts solar panel is 4,190 rupees. And the SolarCharge controller cost is 500 rupees. And finally 7 watts LED light is 299 rupees. So the total cost is 10,489 rupees.